Clarke offers a wide range of large floor-standing drum fans ranging from 20 inches to 36 inches. That's 500 millimeters up to a huge 900 millimeters. They are great for powerful cooling in commercial and industrial locations, such as large warehouses, factories, shops and workshops. They all feature a high output, moving from 150 cubic meters per minute for the smallest up to 455 cubic meters per minute for the Camax 36. All of the range feature a fully balanced 3-blade impeller and offer either 2 or 3 speeds, with the larger fans having wheels for easy mobility around the workspace. Some of the range are offered in both 230 volt and 110 volt versions for use on site. All fans can be tilted vertically, and some also rotate, allowing the airflow to be directed anywhere on a 360-degree axis. The attractive and sturdy steel frames feature a robust powder coating for a long life. If you need a high-output floor-standing fan, then Clarke have the product to suit.